Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very interesting evening snacks with soya chunks. So I will show you quickly the ingredients. So for that I have taken some amount of soya chunks and which I have dipped in hot water and they are soft now. Okay, and in vegetables I am going to use onions. Like this way I have cut. 1 capsicum roughly chopped, big size I have kept. 3 green chilies I have cut into small pieces. Black pepper, salt according to taste, ginger garlic paste, and in sauce I am going to use 4 sauces which I will show you. First of all, tomato sauce, green chili sauce, garlic chili sauce, and the soya sauce. So now I'll begin the process. I will show you. So friends, I have on the gas and taken a non-stick kadhai and around 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. So a little lower the flame. And I'll be starting with kalonji, which I forgot to show in the before. So I will start with it, then I will give all the vegetables. I'll show you. So I will wait for it to get heated up. So friends, now I will give the kalonji. And I will start with the capsicum. And little amount of salt. So I'll be stirring it for another 2 minutes, then I'll be giving the onions because I'm going to keep all the vegetables shallow fried. So friends, it has been around 1.5 minutes. Now I will be giving the ginger garlic paste, little amount. Stir it. And now I'll be giving the onions. Here I have used around 2 medium-sized onions and also the green chilies. And I'll be cooking it in very low flame. So friends, it has been around 2 minutes after I've given the onions and the chilies, and they have been cooked, and now I will give the soya chunks. And I will give it a good mix. I'll be adding now the salt, little amount. And after cooking it for another 1 minute, I will be giving all the sauce one by one. So So friends, it has been around 2 minutes. Now I'll be giving the sauce. So I'll start with the green chili sauce. Little amount I will give because I have already used 3 green chilies, and I'll be also using the black pepper. Next, the garlic chili sauce. Little amount I will use. And the soya sauce. Soya sauce I'll be using little in more amount. Yes. And now I'll be giving it a nice mix. And black pepper and the tomato sauce. Again I will be giving it a mix, and I will be cooking it for another 3 minutes, so that my chunks get a crunch. So I'll be frying it. I will little increase the flame now, so that it gets little amount of crunchy texture, and it will go well with the tea and evening whatever drink you're taking. So friends, it has been around 3 minutes I have been cooking, and it's done now. So you can see the chunks have developed crunches, and also the vegetables are cooked nicely. And now I will off the gas. So friends, if you like my videos, my recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and keep encouraging me so that I can come up with more such easy, unique, tasty, yummy recipes. So give it a try at your home. Bye bye. Take care.